Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this one we're discussing how to connect your Mexc account to Tradingview. So guys, you need to understand something, which is, as you can see, in order to be able to connect any of the services that you wish automatically to Tradingview, so how you do this in general, so you just go to Tradingview's homepage. I'll just show you how to do this from the beginning. So from here, from the home page, you go to products and super chats so that you get the full functionality. All right. And pretty much something for you to know, the only services that you can connect are the ones that are listed in the trading panel. All right. So if you go here, as you can see, we have the popular services like Interactive Brokers, TradeStation, TradeAvate, etc. And if you go to the search or you scroll down the list and you don't find a certain service that you wish to connect, then it's not supported. And unfortunately, in our case, the Mexc is not here. As you can see, it's not found. This means that the direct integration is not possible for now. Maybe they will add it in the future, but for now it's not possible. So that's the information, guys. Hopefully this helped you. If it did, like and subscribe. See you soon.